Hello friends and welcome to Virtual TechBox YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to install the Nutanix Community Edition on VMware Workstation. Before we start, if you are new on channel, I will request you to subscribe to channel. Please watch the video till the end as steps are very important for deploying the Nutanix Community Edition on VMware Workstation. Let's start. First of all, you will have to download the two files. One is Nutanix Community Edition, which would be downloaded in the zip file, and second is disk descriptor file. Link to download both these files I will provide in description. You can go to nutanix.com/products/community edition. Click on join and download. You can fill all your required details here and download the community edition file. If you are already having the credentials with the Nutanix community site, then you can directly go to this URL and download the Nutanix community edition file. After going to this page, you will have to download this file. And this file I have already downloaded in my local system, which is in zip format. The second file we require is disk descriptor file, which can be downloaded from this URL. I will right click, save as, and I will save this file as c.txt, which is the disk descriptor file. So both the files I have now. I will extract the Nutanix Community Edition file, which will give me the image file. I will create the folder for this virtual machine in my local system. An image file and disk descriptor file. I will cut these two files and paste in the virtual machine folder which I have just created. I will now rename these two files. I will rename first file as c.vmdk and I will rename the second file as c-flat.vmdk. Yes, I have renamed both these files. Now I will start my VMware workstation. This is my VMware workstation 15.5 Pro. I will click on create new virtual machine. Next, I will install operating system later. Next, other 64-bit. Next, I will give the virtual machine name here, and I will give the path to my local system which I had created. Next, continue. For processor I will give here, and RAM I will provide 15 GB for this virtual machine. Next, use bridge networking. Next, next, use existing virtual disk, next, and I will give the path to the c.vmdk file, next, keep existing format, finish. Virtual machine created. Now we have to add two hard disks to this virtual machine, and both the hard disks should be more than 200 GB. Add hard disk, next, SATA, next, next. I will give the hard disk size here 250 GB, next, finish. I will again add hard disk, next, SATA, next, next, and I will give the size of the second hard disk here, which is 300 GB, next, finish. Okay, two hard disks I have added, one is 250 GB and second one is 300 GB. I will again go to settings, processor, and I will pick here virtualize Intel VTX. Okay, I will power on the virtual machine. I will enter here. I will log in here with the default credentials, which is root, and password is nutanix/4u. I have logged in here. If I go to my computer properties, you can see here my processor is AMD. Before I begin the installation, I will have to do the two changes, because Nutanix doesn't support the AMD processor. Keep in mind, if you are having the Intel processor, you don't need to do these changes. I will open the minimum underscore request.py, and here instead of VMX, I will type the SVM, and below here I will delete the Intel and I will type here AMD. One more change I will do here, which is not related to processor. I will go up and minimum memory GB, I will set it to 14 GB, because we have set the RAM for this virtual machine as 15 GB, so less than that, which is 14 GB. Control O and enter to save, Control X to exit. I will again go to sysutil.py file and I will search here custom underscore RAM, and I will change the value of custom RAM to 8 instead of 12. I will save and exit. I will type here exit. Now we can begin the installation. To begin the installation, I will type install US keyboard, proceed. Proceed here. It will now do the test on those hard disk, which will take some time. Performance test on both the hard disk has completed. I will make it full screen. Here I will give the host IP address 192.168.0.61. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Host gateway 192.168.0.1. I will give the CVM IP 192.168.0.62. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Gateway for the CVM 192.168.0.1. I want to create single node cluster. DNS, I will provide 8.8.8.8. Drop down to the license agreement till the end, otherwise it will not allow you to proceed for the installation. Complete scroll down is compulsory. Accept the license agreement. Start. Installation completed. It is now starting the controller VM. Controller VM startup has also completed. I will press enter here. I will exit the full screen mode. I will go to my browser and I will type the CVM IP 192.168.0.62. Login screen has come. I will give the default credentials admin and password Nutanix/4u. Enter. It is asking me to set the password. I will set the password here. I will confirm the password here. Enter. Password has been set successfully. Now I will log in to Prism with new credentials admin, and I will give the new password which we have just set. It is asking me to provide the next.nutanix.com credentials here. I will give my username. I will give the password of Nutanix community URL. It is giving me the DNS error. I will open the putty and I will log into CVM 192.168.0.62. I will provide the credentials which we had just set. Username root and new password which we had set for the CVM. I have logged into the CVM through putty. I will do this sudo su. I will give the password again. I am now logged in as root in the CVM. I will open the resolve.conf under etc directory. and in resolve.conf I will type here name server eight dot eight dot eight dot eight. I will save and exit. I will again go to browser and I will give here the next.nutanix.com credential. Yes, now I have successfully logged into the Prism and we have successfully installed the Nutanix Community Edition and logged into single node cluster successfully. I will wrap up my video here. I hope you like this Nutanix Community Edition installation video. Like and share the video, subscribe to channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.